today is November 12th. It's a Monday. We have our first Thanksgiving lunch for the year. It's actually gonna be for the Rowlett Chamber of Commerce, and they wanted to do turkey and stuffing and green bean casserole, basically like a traditional Thanksgiving dinner. So if you don't know, besides Greek food, I'm pretty much can cook anything from a Chateaubriand, shepherd's pie. I've even done some Chinese food. So if you let me know between my 10 years of culinary experience and a few YouTube videos out there, you know, just to brush me up a little bit, I can pretty much whip up anything you ever want. So keep that in mind whenever you're hosting an event, catering a party or a wedding, whatever it is. We're gonna get this started. We're gonna start off with some cornbread stuffing. Let's do this thing, all right?
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow.
I just had to pause for a second and tell you that those onions are very, very fragrant.
And all that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon.
14th. So November 14th, it's my wife's birthday today. Happy birthday, honey, if you're watching. We just loaded up the van. We're gonna actually do a catering. It's gonna be our first Thanksgiving banquet of the year. So let's go get this thing, all right? Is that business of the month right there? I heard. Yeah. Oh man! Hey, congratulations, brother.
Congratulations.
Yes, yes, he deserves it. Absolutely.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
We've got a YouTube channel, so if you guys go to Taverna, make sure that you smash that subscribe button and watch all the awesome videos we're doing. All right. Cheers.
And that wraps up another awesome catering event by Opa Greek Taverna. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage. It was supposed to be uploaded by Thanksgiving. However, between just the busy week leading up to Thanksgiving and the time spent with family, I didn't get a chance to upload it. So happy late Thanksgiving. I'm sure staring at a bunch of Thanksgiving food the day after Thanksgiving is not what you wanted to watch, but yeah, that was it. And now it's just like full-blown Christmas time, Christmas spirit, Christmas vlog. So we got a lot of really cool stuff coming up, and we will see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, I forgot. Make sure that you leave a thumbs up and a comment below the video. Just say hello if you want to, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. All right.